We're leaking oil. Earl, my shrimp.
Oh, well, all over the place. We put this sprocket on here, right? So we wouldn't have been able to put a bigger sprocket on it now that I'm looking at it because we've chewed through that right there. Oh. You can see we chewed into like that right there.
Because this, I mean, this is obvious because we hooked these up and this goes to like the magneto and all that bullshit.
Well, we actually changed this.
Yep. Look at that crack in the case right there.
That's probably where the oil's coming from.
It's a huge crack in the case.
Yeah.
Right above the spindle for your shifter. There's like multiple.
That's a big ass crack.
Oh God. It's not good.
Yeah. Good timing on the new engine.
Well, that's just kind of a bummer because if we had any fantasies about putting this on a different bike. It's
kind of gone, yeah.
A little pin popping.
Pin popping adventure. Oh, and what do we got going on back here?
This looks
some sort of crazy plate adaptation.
Single plate adaptation. There we go.
Yep.
Are the wires undone?
Ooh. Oh!
Hey now.
Hold on. Over there, Bo. Oh yeah. Oh. The wires.
It's just caused a lot of work. Take the terminals off the battery because there's a lot of wires that are going to go from like your battery to your regulator rectifier to like your lights and shit. Yeah. So those ones don't necessarily need to be with, but like Dan was saying, everything from the engine, which is going to be 5 and or 6-ish wires. So there's going to be a few coming from your ignition and a few coming from the regulator rectifier.
No wonder we always make you guys do this part.
Well, you want to give her a little lift. Pull. Drop. There we go.
All right. Shakalaka.
Shakalaka bastard.
Experience if you need. Yeah, dude. We got no hope.
So shy.
We might. Basement. Dude, look, mine was on way better than yours, dude.
Yeah. Whoever put this together was paying attention. Drop that thing on.
Oh, yours was like barely on.
It was like cocked at 90 degrees. It's not even covering the hole.
Well, 5 p.m. shit. Yeah. Always had to cream and ream those.
Yeah, that one. And then
which
is there another one?
There certainly is, yeah. Which, I mean, a guy could just go to Ace and get a smaller bolt.
Nah. But those bolts are already prepped for the
right?
So you don't want any slop in there with it bouncing around when you're hitting bumps.
That's true.
We made this plate, right?
I could only guess. I mean, I don't see why it would be in there. Yeah, we certainly made that.
I don't remember.
Yeah, it has the Tim and Dan signature markings on it. Do we just take a file and just chip away at the top of that?
Or take a flap disc and...
Oh, yeah, this side's good. Yep, right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Drop her down again. We'll get this bottom one in here. I doubt that's going to be an issue. Plus, I think we have adjustment up here in the top too that we could take a little bit out.
Well, let me see that.
What about a 19?
Let's go with the same one, dude.
Well, I think you can go even faster. Would that fit in there?
It fits. That looks more snug.
Let's simply see.
You got a lot of slop there.
Yeah, well, that'll go away when we get the correct bigger sprocket, front sprocket. It's sick that we got that thing mounted.
Yeah, good job, guys. You guys crushed it.
Few part Scaronis, and then we're off to the races. Sometimes you'll get like bullshit readings on very small.
Oh, 21.
Yeah, it's gotten better.
All right.
It's way cooler. So it's somewhere
just about in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I thought I saw something.
Yeah.
We got a grommet.
Hey, it did work, dude. It did work.
We found something.
It worked, dude.